Welcome to this guided meditation for self-acceptance. Today we embark on a special journey to the heart of self-acceptance, where we'll explore and embrace both our strengths and our flaws. It's a journey to understanding, love, and deep peace with every part of who we are. Find a position that speaks comfort to you. This may be seated with your spine tall and feet flat on the ground, or perhaps lying down, feeling the supportive surface beneath you. Gently close your eyes, allowing the outside world to fade. It's your moment, a special time you're giving to yourself. Shift your attention to the rhythm of your breath. Breathe naturally, without forcing or changing your breath. Simply notice. Our breath is so often taken for granted. It's a powerful anchor, grounding us in the present. Feel the coolness as you inhale and the subtle warmth as you exhale. With each breath cycle, allow your mind to become more tranquil, setting aside any distractions or worries. Breathing in and out. Feel the simplicity and beauty of just breathing. Visualize a gentle wave of relaxation. It begins at the crown of your head, moving slowly and deliberately. As it descends, it eases tensions in the forehead, softens the eyes, relaxes the jaw, and even the tongue in your mouth. Allow it to roll down, unfurling along your neck and shoulders, melting away any tightness. This gentle wave continues its journey, flowing down the arms, chest, and back. It wraps around your torso, easing, comforting, and assuring. As it moves further, your hips and thighs embrace the relaxation, followed by your knees, calves, and finally reaching your feet. Feel how this wave has enveloped every inch of you, giving you permission to feel relaxed and at ease. Allow your awareness to gently shift inward, to the deepest realms of your being where your true self resides. This is a sacred space, a sanctuary where the essence of who you are exists beyond the judgments and expectations of the outside world. Imagine a soft, nurturing light at your heart center, the space right in the middle of your chest. This light, warm and inviting, represents the totality of you. The achievements and missteps, the joys and sorrows, the strengths and flaws. Let it shine, let it glow, and let it touch every corner of your inner self. Slowly bring to mind a flaw or a challenge you've faced, something you've perhaps struggled with or been critical of in yourself. Watch it, not with judgment, but with the curious eyes of an observer. As you see this aspect of yourself, allow the gentle light from your heart expand and envelop it. This light doesn't aim to change or diminish this flaw, but simply acknowledges it. It says, I see you, I understand you, and I accept you. Remember, every experience, every flaw has contributed to your growth, to your story. It has made you resilient, taught you lessons, and given you depth. Once you've embraced this flaw in understanding and acceptance, gently shift your focus to a strength or positive quality you possess. Maybe it's your kindness, determination, creativity, or your ability to listen. Whatever it may be, let it come to the forefront of your mind. Feel the warmth and pride emanating from your heart center, surrounding and celebrating this strength. It's a part of you that has brought joy, achieved goals, and supported others. Feel gratitude for this strength, acknowledging the countless times it has guided and supported you. In this space, recognize the balance and harmony between your flaws and strengths. Like the ebb and flow of the ocean, they coexist, making you who you are. A beautifully complex and unique individual. Both parts are valid, both parts are valuable, and both parts deserve your love and acceptance. Embrace them, for they come together to create the wonderful being that is you. As this meditation draws to an end, recognize and honor the deep sense of acceptance we've nurtured today. You've traversed the landscapes of your soul, met with both shadows and light, and held them with the same grace and compassion. That is a beautiful act of courage and love. Gently return your attention to your breath, the ever-present, grounding force in your life. Feel its rhythm and cadence. Each inhale, a testament to your resilience and strength. Each exhale, a release of judgment and self-doubt. Breathe in the love, gratitude, and acceptance you've cultivated, and breathe out any lingering hesitations or doubt. The path to self-acceptance is a journey rather than a destination. Some days it may feel easier, and on others, more challenging. But every step you take, every moment you pause to acknowledge both your strengths and flaws, you're nurturing a deeper, more loving relationship with yourself. Feel the surface beneath you, supporting and grounding you. Notice the sounds in your environment, distant and near. become aware of the temperature of the room and any scents in the air. Slowly allow yourself to reawaken to the world around you. Move your fingers, your toes. Gently stretch your arms and legs, acknowledging and thanking your body for holding space during this meditation. And when you're ready, open your eyes, returning fully to the present moment. Thank you for giving yourself this gift of time and self-care today. Embrace the totality of who you are, knowing that in both shadow and light, you are whole, loved, and worthy.